Today we're digging into how you can find the perfect fonts for your designs in Canva. Let's get into it. One of the trickier parts of designing is trying to find the exact right font to go with your designs. But thankfully, Canva makes it really easy to find fonts and font pairings, and I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can do that now. So the first way is by going over to the object panel and going down to the text block here. And if you scroll down, you'll see all of these different font combinations that Canva has already put together for you. So these are font pairings that you don't even have to think about. We know that they're going to work really well together. And you just click one time and they're automatically added to your design. Another way that you can find other fonts is by using the templates tab. So we'll go over here to the design tab, and let's say that we just want to search for something maybe Halloween, right? This is going to bring up a bunch of templates that are Halloween themed, but we know that the fonts that are a part of these types of templates are also going to match that criteria. We could do the same thing if there were a children's event that we were going to be doing. We'll search children, and all of these are going to have different fonts that work for kids. But we could also say something like elegant, or we could search for bold. And once you've found a template that you really like, then you could just scroll down. And if you just hover over one of these, you'll see on the top right-hand corner, we have these three dots. And if we just click on those, then you're going to see a few different options. We could apply just the text from that design, the colors, the elements, or the entire style to our page. So I'm just looking for the fonts, right? Because let's say that I like the fonts that are a part of this template. Then I would just click on apply text only, and it's going to automatically apply those fonts to our designs. Again, because Canva loves keywords so much, we can just select our text block and go up here to our toolbar, and we'll click the font button. And over here, we could also search for anything. Like, let's say that we wanted to search for elegant here, or the same kind of thing if we're looking for something playful, or we're looking for something that's more aimed towards kids, then all of these fonts are going to match that search criteria. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.